everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you what I did on my 30th day in this 100 days of coding challenge. If you are new to this challenge and want to learn interesting things related to coding, then follow my 100 days of code challenge playlist. Try to be consistent if you are serious about it. I started working on a new thing today. I decided to work on a Sudoku game using a backtracking algorithm. This is quite interesting and even challenging to understand how backtracking exactly works. If you want to learn how can we do that, first you must know what is backtracking. Backtracking is a process of set of sequential decisions satisfying the given constraints. At each stage I, we need to make a decision di without knowing whether the decision will give us the final solution or not. Once we understand decisions taken at stage I will not give the solution, we need to go one step back and test for other possibilities of decisions. This process of moving back is called backtracking. I know you understood nothing. Let me give you a metaphor. Imagine that there is a matrix of size 4 by 4. The idea is to place those 4 queens in such a way that one queen shouldn't clash the other queen either by row or by column or by diagonal. Means if we place the first queen in the second column, we must not keep the next queen in the same row or same column or in the same diagonal. You may have a doubt of how we are using backtracking here. We use backtracking while placing the queens. First, we check for the possibilities of placing a queen in the first row or a column. Since it is the beginning, there is no chance of clashes. So, we can keep it anywhere. Let's keep it in the first column and the first row. Coming to the second queen, here we have to think a little bit. We have to keep this queen in such a way that it must not clash the first queen either by row or by column or by diagonal. Let me place this queen in the second row, third column. Now if we check for the possibility of placing the third queen, there is no possibility to place it. If we place it at third row first column, it will get a clash with the first queen, and if we place the third queen in the remaining places, it will clash with the second queen. If you observe, at this stage we don't have possibilities, so we have to go one step back and check for possibilities other than this. Means we have to place the second queen somewhere rather. Let's keep it at second row fourth column. Now we can keep the third queen at third row second column. Now it will not clash with any queen. But where do we keep our fourth queen? If we keep it in fourth row first column, it clashes with the first and third queen. If we keep it in fourth row second column, it clashes with the third queen. And if we keep it on fourth row third column and fourth row fourth column, it clashes with the third and second queens. Now we have to go one step back and check for possibilities. If there are no possibilities, you have to again go back and continue this step until all the queens are placed in such a way that no queen will clash with the other queen by row or by column or by diagonal. This process of going one step back and checking for possibilities is called backtracking. We are exactly using this approach for our Sudoku game. What do we do here is, we will give a grid of Sudoku puzzle. The program will solve the Sudoku grid using backtracking. We can do that basically by using 4 modules that we create here. First module is solve. This module solves the Sudoku board. Second module is valid. This module checks whether the placed value is valid or not. Find empty module finds the empty places in the Sudoku board. Print board module prints the Sudoku board. By using these 4 modules, we are going to implement backtracking algorithm. The logic is quite simple if you trace it yourself. Today I will focus on solving and finding empty places. The next day I will be focusing on the next 2 modules. You better trace it yourself while coding. If you have any doubts, let me know through comments. I will definitely make a separate video on it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from my 100 days of coding challenge and other interesting coding stuff. Thank you.